Hello everybody, Dr. Corey Singer here today to talk to you about the weighted hip regeneration exercise. This is for anybody that has either a tear in one of the ligaments in their hip area there, or that's dealing with hip osteoarthritis and wants to repair it. This will help with general blood flow to the area. If you're gonna, for this exercise, you're gonna need, and the blood flow happens by the actual hip and the separation with the weight. So you're gonna need about an 8 to 10 pound weight for this, or 8 to 20 pound weight. And you'll know it's working if you're getting separation. So let's say you have a bigger leg, you're gonna want a bigger weight. If you have a smaller leg, you're gonna need a smaller weight. And again, you'll know if it's working if you're feeling the separation. And again, I think I mentioned you're gonna wanna put some heat or moist heat on the hip itself to be able to open it up. And I'm gonna show you just how to use that weight for right now, okay? So you don't have to do this exercise on both sides, just on one side that's affected, okay? So let's say it's my, for these purposes, my right hip has the osteoarthritis that I'm trying to circumvent or prevent. So you'll strap in with your ankle weight. You can get this at most department stores or online. You could always find it. So you'll need a bench or something where you'll be tall enough to where you can create some separation, because you're gonna need your leg to actually dangle off the floor when you do this. So you come up, you could use the wall or anything to kind of stabilize. And for this one, you're just gonna kind of move back and forth. You should feel that hip open just like that. So real simple, back and forth. You're not doing it too far. It's not a muscular exercise. It's just to provide a little bit of sway. You kind of lean back and forth when you do this to get a little bit of separation. Again, you could just wrap a moist towel around your leg when you do this to help to open up and get more blood flow to that tissue. You want to do this at least 5 to 10 minutes, twice a day minimally. And that is how you do the hip opener using a weight. Enjoy.